A very crucial question is coming up in the mind of the many of the patients, that what is the ideal time of doing IUI. The IUI is a process where the washed sperm is injected and bypassing the cervix, that is the mouth of the uterus, and it is injected in the uterus directly, endometrial cavity I mean to say. After the washing of the sperms get activated and ready to fertilize the egg. And in this status, it cannot remain active for too long time. Normally, after the injection, the fertilizing capacity of the sperm remains for 12 to 24 hours. Of course, the opinion varies, and in some of the studies, it has been mentioned that the sperms are found even after 7 days after the IUI, because some of the sperms are remaining in the crypts of the cervix, maybe, or maybe the endometrium. But normally, the fertilizing capacity is maximum for 12 to 24 hours. So it is always our aim to inject the sperm after washing around the time of ovulation. So normally 6 to 12 hours before ovulation and 6 hours post ovulation. That should be the ideal window for the optimum time for insemination. But it is very difficult to determine the exact timing of the ovulation. So many people, they believe to do a double IUI. Many people take the help of some hormonal test. Many people take help of urinary LS search kit. Normally, many of the people like us, we give a trigger for the ovulation. So normally we give ovulation trigger and we examine 12 hours after the ovulation trigger. And if the follicle has ruptured, that's a time to do IUI. And if that is not a case, then 36 to 42 hours post trigger would be the ideal time if you are planning to do a single IUI. Now, if you want to cover in a better way, then the best way is to, after the trigger, suppose today night you have taken trigger, then tomorrow morning first IUI and second IUI day after tomorrow morning. That should be the ideal way, because it is not necessary that ovulation must occur within 36 or 38 hours. Sometimes it happens even at 40 hours, 42 hours, 46 hours also. So some of the cases, failure cases, are because of the delayed ovulation, and it is really difficult to pinpoint the timing of the ovulation. So proper monitoring is must. There should not be any fixed rule. In fact, there are a lot of studies which has given so much flexibility that single IUI just at the time of trigger also gives equal success rate. There are some studies which says 12 hours after your trigger also gives the equivalent success rate. But most of the centers across the world, they follow 32 to 42 hours post trigger should be is considered to be the ideal time for doing IUI post washing of the sperm. Thank you.